Let's make some Persian Joojeh Kebabs in the air fryer. You can make it in the oven or in a pan as well. Hot water, saffron, mix it. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. 1 kg chicken, 1 grated onion, tablespoon garlic, thick yogurt, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, black pepper, saffron water, little bit of turmeric powder, garlic powder. Mix everything. Cover and marinate for 4 to 5 hours. Once the chicken is marinated, this is optional. There's a piece of foil here. This is a piece of coal. I have heated it up really well on the stove. Drizzle some oil on it, cover it and leave it for half an hour. Get rid of this. Take skewer and make chicken skewers. I'm gonna make all the skewers now. I've made all the skewers. Now I'm gonna take the air fryer basket and place the skewers in there. This is gonna go in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, so I'm just gonna flip the chicken. They're gonna go back in the air fryer for about 7 to 8 minutes.